In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of an HP Deskjet printer not picking up or taking any paper. I'm using the Deskjet 2810E, but this works for most Deskjet models, including the 2600, 2700, and 2800 series. Important steps 1. Open the rear or input paper tray on the back or top of the printer. 2. Check the blue paper guide, move it fully to the left for normal A4 letter paper. 3. If you are using smaller paper, slide the guide in to fit the smaller size. 4. Load the paper correctly, insert the stack straight, not bent or wrinkled. 5. Make sure at least one third of the sheet is inside the printer so rollers can grab it. 6. Remove any jammed pieces inside the input slot. Use a light to inspect carefully. 7. Take out the paper stack and fan. Straighten the pages, then reload. 8. Avoid overloading the tray. Use a small, neat stack. 9. After adjusting, try printing again to see if the rollers now pick up the paper.